Hello friends, I am Rojina. Today I am going to tell you a short story how to encourage yourself in your tough time. There was an old well in the jungle, dug out by some travelers many years ago. One day, a heavy flood occurred in the jungle. The entire jungle was submerged in the flood water. With the flowing of flood water, a small frog was washed away and fell into that old well. When the flood was over, the small frog found himself inside the old well. He was very upset with his condition. He tried to jump up in order to get out from that old well, but his every effort was failed. At that time, the other frogs came to see him inside the old well. When the small frog saw the other frogs, he was overjoyed and excited. He started jumping once again. While seeing the small frog jumping again and again, the other frogs were surprised. They started shouting at him not to jump. They shouted at him that it would be useless to try to come out from that old well. They suggested him to stay there as long as he could and wait for his death. But the small frog was jumping continuously. He did not listen to them. Many times he fell down, but he continued his effort. The other frogs started shouting more and more. While looking at them, he was jumping higher and higher. Then, in one moment, he jumped so high that he was got out from the old well. All the other frogs were very surprised. They asked the small frog that how he could do that. The small frog replied them that he just saw their cheering and beckoning hands to come out from the old well, and he gave all efforts to jump higher. So always remember, in your tough time, you have to become a source of encouragement of yourself. You can't get encouragement every time in your life. You are alone in your journey. You have to encourage yourself whenever you feel like you are about to losing your morale. You can't get any help from everyone. Whenever you fall down in the mud, nobody is ready to hold your hands. You can find many people standing out there who are laughing at you, but they are not ready to take you out from that mud. At that moment of time, you have to get up yourself and move on your path. In your tough time, you have to become a source of encouragement of yourself. Nobody is there for you. Only you have to stand for yourself and go ahead in your life.